Well, y'all, it's a different kind of video today. I'm gonna be doing some community work today, man. So today we're gonna be installing some flooring at my aunt and uncle's house. Yeah, man, driving over there right now. I gotta stop by Home Depot, pick up a little something, and then we'll be to it, you know, flooring and whatnot. I'm trying to make a video out of this. It's gonna be a little late. Sorry about that, y'all. There's them. I considered that a successful trip to the Home Depot. Just had to get a little magnet clip for my pencil. Oh yeah, they working for sure. Well, y'all, as it goes with these things, I'm off to Home Depot again. Got to pick up a couple of little things for the job. Would have been nice to know about this beforehand when I was already there, but such is life. Well, here we are once again at Home Depot.
Oh, wait a minute, what about that?
Hey, Yobo! I still clean.
Are these clean?
Yes, yes sir.
This means that I had to be a little more precise, so let's just do this then. Actually, I kind of feel like I want it to be a little more than that, you know?
Yeah, probably should be.
Of course, it'll have the saw width.
Well, y'all, I'm back going to Home Depot. Golly, boy, this time I'm getting a Ryobi multi-tool, so you know, get ready for that. It's gonna be sick. My uncle wanted to get one anyway. Like, we could have figured it out without it, but he was like, well, I've been meaning to get one anyway, so I'm off to go get a Ryobi multi-tool, sure enough. And yeah,